How to recover Messenger account without Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device, and further you will see the option for forgot your password. So tap on the forgot your password option and you will be prompted to enter your mobile number or email. So go ahead and enter your mobile number or email, and then you will receive a few options for recovering your password. For instance, I have the email to recover my account. You can also tap on the try another method option if you want to try some other option. I will select the email option. So if you want to select the email option too, then tap on the radio button of your email and then tap on continue. You will then receive a verification code. So go ahead and enter the verification code when prompted and then tap on the continue button. You will then be prompted to enter a new password. So go ahead and enter your new password and then tap on continue, and with this your account will be recovered. So this is how you can recover Messenger account without Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.